Let me show you how to prepare a very delicious and detailed black soup. Okay, so guys, this is my protein. I just put it on the fire. Okay, then I'm going on with my salt, maggi, onions. My protein is stockfish, cow meat, and or goat's meat, also assorted meat. Everything is there, guys. So I just cover it for it to done. Okay, oh my god. So after that, this banga, it was blocked, so I actually brought it out. I used hot water to melt it. I also put it on top of the a pot cover so that it will melt quick. Then I sieve it, like I comot the dirty that is inside, because this banga they normally see here, there's dirty, a lot of dirty inside. So this me, after putting the banga, this is what it looks like, because my meat is ready. Okay, because you know there's goat meat inside. Now goat meat takes a lot of time to get ready. So after some minutes, this is what it looks like. Yes, so the burger I've done inside a little bit inside the protein and all. I will go ahead and put my blended bitter leaf. Yes, this is bitter leaf. I blend it with a dry pepper. Yes, there's dry pepper inside the bitter leaf and crayfish. I blended everything together. I don't know if you understand. So I put my banga spices off camera. Okay, so in here I'm going on with my fish. If you can see this soup, you see that the soup is already thick. I don't know if you understand. If your soup is not thick like this, you need to wait a lot of time. So when you are cooking this kind of food, you need to know the kind of quantity of banga water that you are putting and all that. If not, it will take a lot of time for it to thick. So did you see my dry fish? Okay, it's sitting pretty inside my soup. Guys, let me know what you are eating this with. But for me, I'm eating this with puree. It's Irish potato. Yes, Irish potato. I don't know if you guys know it, but it's so nice. It will not make your tummy to be bloated and all those things. So let me know. I know you are going to eat yours with satana. Sea soup, like everything is inside. Crayfish, like I blended everything with the bitter leaf and everything. Do you get? Hey, this soup is so sweet. This is me just eating. I could not wait for my husband to come back. Please guys, come and join me, like and share this video. Okay, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, come and join me to eat too. So bye.